Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Technical Market Update for September 16th, 2015. Okay, we have the euro here again in no man's land. Market just meandering for the last couple of days between 111 and 113.08. The euro is up on the morning. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart, the euro is up on the morning, currently trading to the daily R1. Now, I believe this market will remain in a wait and see mode until the Fed comes in tomorrow and announces their decision. And maybe the Fed announcement will give this market some energy to break out of these ranges that we have been in for the last couple of months, especially with the euro. Because when you see the euro is range bound, it tends to make the rest of the currency pairs also range bound. So the chart pattern here with the euro is like this. That is what we're playing with here with the euro currency. Now remember, after this Fed announcement, it can go any way because these markets, as I said yesterday, you have an announcement. You expect the market to move one direction, and it moves in the complete opposite direction. These are the tricks of the trade that the smart investors and the smart money tends to play with us traders all the time. So be aware that this market can move in any direction, whether the Fed increases rates or not. Now the consensus is that if the Fed holds on rates, then the market will, or the dollar will sell off, meaning the euro will go up and also the British pound, etc., will go up. And if the Fed raises rates, then the dollar will go up. That's a consensus. But just remember, anything can happen with these markets. Okay, support in the euro is at this trend line coming down around the 110 area, and resistance is up at 115 with the euro. Taking a look at the British pound, where the British pound is up significantly this morning after bouncing off of support in the 152 region. We're at 155.25 with the British pound, and the market is rallying, continues to rally as we speak. We have just passed the daily R2 and coming up to the daily R3 with the British pound. Okay, taking a look at the Australian dollar recovering. Remember I said that we are due for a recovery with this currency pair. So the market is recovering up to the 71.94 level. Expect some resistance at the Fibonacci retracement. This is the latest swing high here. Come down. So the 38% retracement is at 73.75. So we have over 200 pips, roughly 200 pips before we hit that level as the first area of resistance with the Australian dollar. Canadian dollar, I've been saying that this market is due for a correction anytime soon. The market is currently at 132.01 and drawing our Fibonacci retracement level. The first area for it to be considered an official retracement, we want to see the market come down to at least the 38% retracement level. If it doesn't manage to hit that level, then it's not really considered a retracement just yet. Okay, taking a look at the British pound, Japanese yen, we'll see that the British pound is rallying, and this could be a potential move to the upside on a position trade. Remember, we made some money with the British pound earlier this year, and the market pulled back to just above the 78% retracement level, and the market is currently rallying. So this is a market that again could give us some good moves in terms of a position trade. You notice the market bounced off of this trend line. So this was the first instance of the trend line. started here. Market came here. Now to consider this A, B, C, D. Market made a new high at D. Pullback. Is this the E point? Clearly, I have to put that question sign. Will the market rally above D to F? Well, clearly this will be in the future, but would this happen? So this is what we're looking for in this market. So we'll keep an eye out on the British pound versus the Japanese yen over the next couple of trading sessions. Also, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. The market has pulled back into the 116 level, and it's in a consolidation pattern here. And this consolidation pattern is better seen on the 4-hour chart, as you can see here. Okay, so the markets are waiting on what the Fed is going to say, and what the Fed is going to, and a lot of what is going to happen in the next couple of trading session depends on what the Fed is going to do. We'll have an update tomorrow, and we'll have one before the Fed announcement to see what the markets are doing, and if something drastically happens during the Fed announcement, we could probably have another update on the Fed announcement. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. If you like to have these signals, the trading signals sent to your account automatically, you can click on the link below to get started. Thank you very much, and I look forward to the Fed announcement tomorrow. Thank you.